this defense motion asking the judge to either dismiss and get rid of the death penalty in this case, or perhaps toss out the entire conviction based on claims that police officers or detectives working for Mesa Police took off pornography from Travis Alexander's computer, therefore throwing a huge monkey wrench into this trial, making it highly unfair for Jodi Arias. We're going to have an evidentiary hearing on that sometime next week. Now, let's go to some of the action in court today. That Jodi Arias herself had been on the witness stand during a period when we were not allowed in the courtroom. We were back today, but Jodi was not on the witness stand. Instead, Dr. Lucia Miccio-Fonseca from California was on the stand. She is an expert in what she described as unconventional sexual proclivities. That's what she said this case is all about, a twisted, emotionally abusive relationship. In fact, there were two Travis Alexanders, she said. One was the Mormon elder searching for a soulmate, and the other was a guy who called himself T-Dog, referred to himself in the third person, and used Jodi for sex, displayed no affection for her, didn't even want to be seen with her in public. Well, she read a lot of emails who were from Travis's friends, basically documenting his double life. That was a theme that's emerging, emotional abuse in this case, hoping to pick off at least a couple jurors who will reject the death penalty for Jodi Arias. Meanwhile, while this was happening, Travis's sister outside the courthouse defended her brother, defended his honor, saying he's certainly not the kind of person who would have porn on a computer. Here's some of what she had to say.
If my brother was a pedophile, I'd be the first plane out of here. There's no way in hell
You're
that's
upset.
true. No, I actually know the facts. I'm privy to some of the information that you guys aren't, and they're, again, mistaken. The defense always releases stuff prematurely.
Wrong. Nurmi's wrong, you're saying.
My brother had a virus on his computer, that's all it was.
No question, this is a horrible crime. The only issue in this sentencing retrial is, will the jurors be convinced not to give Jodi Arias the death penalty at the conclusion of all this testimony? We have not yet had cross-examination by prosecutors. We expect that's going to come up next week.